Hi, this is Skippy Kangaroo doing a little video tutorial on how I get DCS running with Umu. First off, thank you people. My YouTube video is blowing up, but hey, yay. Um, so how this is going to work is that I have a little list here that helps me with this. So I'll be putting all of this into the comment section. Check that out. Hopefully this works, because what you need is umu-launcher dependency. Look on what it is. Pacman is sudo pacman dash capital S umu dash launcher, like this, sudo pacman dash S umu-launcher. For people that are like on Ubuntu, it'll be yeah, yeah, sudo apt install umu-launcher, kind of like that. But it all depends on dependencies. So that's how it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install it in its own directory. Detach tab. I need to go here, go there. I need to figure out a spot to do this with. So it's going to be, actually, no, not there. I need a folder that's big enough. 226. Fuck yeah, that'll work. Alright, so this is my games. So how it's going to do is that by default, you can use the default location as explained in my previous videos of tutorials like Star Citizen. When I say default, I mean in your home directory, in your games, under Umu, that's where it's going to be, right? Actually, I got two versions of it. Whatever. So what I'm going to do is create a folder here. I'm going to call it umu DCS. I'm going to go inside of it, go up here, copy that, and I'm just going to paste that all into here, because this is what it's going to be under. Again, I'm going to have this changed to CHANGEME. You guys need to do this. I don't want to hear people going, I'm gonna get it, it doesn't work, I don't know where CHANGEME is. Yeah, that's for you to fucking change. Okay? So I'm gonna explain a few things. WINEPREFIX, that is how you tell uh umu to basically umu and wine to basically go, hey, use this directory, nowhere else. So that's what you're going to do. Then, with GAMEID 223750, that I believe it's Steam version, but it also still applies here. Uh, PROTONPATH, you'll see GE-Proton. That basically says, hey, hey, Umu, I want to use the latest availability availability of Proton. So at the current time on this video, it is Proton 29. You can find yourself what version it is. Just look up GitHub Umu Proton and you should be able to find it. So, and then here, you need to go and download the file. Literally just go down there and download the DCS World web by yourself. That's self-explanatory, so do it yourself. I'm gonna go to my terminal. I'm going to go grab this and run that. So here we go. It's going to do its installer. As you can see already, it's already installing stuff here. And you'll see here, installing WINEPREFIX and everything. It's doing that for you because just let it run its damn thing. Because it has stuff that is important, like this. Override this. It needs decompile 47. As you can see, decompile 43. So as you can see, this thing is here already. go there, go to this, next. Keep this as C, it doesn't matter, that's what we need. You need to have at least 150 gigs of disk space just for the default items, okay? Even though it says 109 gigs disk free space is required. No, that is wrong. You need 142, that's why I say 150. So if you want to do full install, go to next, don't create icon, install. Showing on my other monitor is just going fucking crazy. Don't start the download because we're not done, right? So that's that. So now, you'll see in this where it still has WINEPREFIX to the correct one, ID, PROTONPATH. This line right here basically goes, hey, I want the data from here to go here, and this is where it is. If you follow it, drive C, program files, Eagle Dynamics, DCS World, bin, DCS updater. See, drive C, program files, Eagle Dynamics, DCS World, and what the fuck? Oh, right, it's in here. There it is. There's the file. So now I'm gonna go grab this file and paste that. As you can see, whee! So it's checking to see if it has DX 43, 47, and the wine is installed, which is great. I also have some additional files that's going to be completely different, but here we go. This is the save changes, proceed. This is going to download everything for, and see, this is what I mean. I It doesn't have enough disk space because this is like my little project file. For you, it'll work. It'll finish downloading everything. And once it's actually done downloading, it will look like something like this. So this is on a complete downloaded thing. Um, you'll notice that, see, there goes that. You just saw it. The launcher will basically be white. That is normal. As you can see, sorry for the flashbang. I should have given you a warning. It's going to be white. Okay, when you finish downloading it, let it do its thing. Don't go, oh my god, it's broken. No, it's not. Okay. If you don't want to use the launcher, even though the launcher works, you just got to give it some time, like I'm giving it time. Where I have this installed is in my 2 TB drive. So I go here, I go there, I go DCS. Um, so where it goes is there's a specific line that needs to be generated, or you can download it from a GitHub. I'll probably try to remember to put it down underneath. If I don't provide it, just bitch at me in the comments, okay? It's going to be something like drive C, users, Steam user, app data, local. Actually, no. Yeah, local. No, no, not there. Uh, Save games. There it is. DCS, and then it's going to be in, I think, config. I'm looking. There it is. Options.lua. You can go in here once it's generated. Yay, 386 lines. Just look up, Control F, launcher, and you'll see it right here. This line right here, just change this to false, right? And then, wow, okay, it didn't work this time. It's supposed to. Close that. If it doesn't, all you gotta do is just change this to false. I'll see about grabbing all the default things and just throwing it in here. Yes, you did just see it say DCS SRS. I did actually get that working. That's going to be on a different video though, because it's completely different commands and stuff, like all this. This is just a video to get DCS running on your computer, and that's it. I'll be making a separate video for doing VR, head tracking, and SRS, as that's like a more complicated thing. Okay, cool. Capiche? Capiche. If you made it this far in the video, uh, I've been doing this on my spare time. I have no job. If you guys want, feel free to donate. That would be great. Because I'm running thin on cash. Totally optional for you guys though. The donations, they will go to future tutorials, gear upgrade. I'll consider thinking of buying like a meta quest because that's being the most fucking requested bullshit thing ever. And I will literally take my time and figure it out on how to get that piece of shit meta fucking headset working, even if you guys want it to. Um, that's only if I can afford to get it. So, yay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good night. It's fucking 12:44 a.m. here. That's why I'm only doing this. So, see ya.